Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT FIT PYQs. See, this is question asked in CSAT paper 2022. Consider the question and two statements given in respect to three cities P, Q and R in a state. See, question is how far is city P from city Q? Right, city P from city Q. So statement and statement 1, statement 2. So whether we solve, so let's first take statement 1 alone information. Statement 1 alone. Right, there are city Q is 18 kilometers. See, Q is 18 kilometers from R. Right, R. So this is city Q is 18 kilometers from R. Right, city Q is 18 kilometers from R. Right. So how far is city P from Q? See, there is no information. P या तो इधर हो सकता है, इधर हो सकता है, इधर कहीं भी हो सकता है. Right. So P to Q we cannot say distance. How far is city P from Q? So statement 1 alone is not sufficient to answer the question. Now let's do with statement 2 alone. Right, statement 2 alone says city P is 43 kilometers from city R. So city P is 43 kilometers from city R. 43 kilometers from city R. Right. So now P and Q. So Q के related कुछ information है. Q can be either, Q can be here also, Q can be here. So we cannot say how far is city P from city Q. So statement 2 alone is not sufficient. Right. Now let's combine statement 1 plus statement 2 का information. That is city Q is 18 kilometers from R. So Q is 18 kilometers from R. Right. And city P is 43 kilometers from R. City P is 43 kilometers from R. So this can be, see, city P can be here. Right. So this would be city P and this is 43 kilometers. Right. So now how far is city P from city Q? That is the question. How far is city P from city Q? So P to Q, now it is 43 minus 18. Right. So this is 43 minus 18. So that is 25 kilometers. Right. So ये आ गया. Now there can be another possibility. Right. See, this is first case. Right. We can say by either this is 25 kilometers. Right. ये 25 kilometers. How far? 25 kilometers. Then second possibility is देखो Q and R. See, Q or R, the distance is 18 kilometers. Right, and P and R, the distance is 43 kilometers. So P to R, so the distance is P to R. Say let's take this is P. So this is 43 kilometers. Now from city P to Q, so P to Q, so from here to here, right? P to Q, here it is, see, 43 plus 18 kilometers, right? That is 53 plus 8, right? 53 plus 8, that is 61 kilometers. Right. So now we got, see, first एक भाई या तो ये 25 kilometers हो सकता है या तो ये 61 kilometers हो सकता है. Right. Then third possibility, right? Third possibility is, right, see, P, so Q to R we know, see, Q and R, see, हो सकता है R इधर हो, right? Q R, this is 18 kilometers and R to P is 43 kilometers. So R to, so P is here. So this is 43 kilometers. Then city Q to P we need to know. So Q to P, this one, right, we cannot say, right? We cannot say ये कितने kilometers का, right? ये angle हमें नहीं पता, right? So how can we say? So we cannot say. So we can't say distance क्या है. ये एक पॉसिबिलिटी. तो फोर्थ पॉसिबिलिटी ये भी हो सकता है. सी, Q इधर है, ठीक है, R इधर है एंड सेम राइट एंगल में देयर कैन बी P 43. दिस इज 18. सो दिस वुड बी this Q2. See, this is 18 square plus 43 square under square root. Right? 18 square plus 43 square under square root. ये हो सकता है इनका डिस्टेंस. Right? Okay. So again we cannot say. Right? So it can be 25, 61 or it can be Pythagoras theorem करके, then it can be anything else, any number भी हो सकता है. Distance, how far how far we cannot answer, right? We cannot answer specifically, right? So both statement 1 and statement 2 are not sufficient to answer the question, right? Both statement are sufficient? No, they are not sufficient, right? 25 भी हो सकता है, 61 भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, right? The distance between Q. So option D is the answer, right? Again, very good question.